Multiphysics Box 10 Notifications and Alarm. Welcome to this tutorial. Within the next minutes, we will demonstrate the alarm behavior of the Multiphysics Box 10. This includes the output of notifications and measured values via process data, the alert delay and alert reset time, and the alarm output via pin 2. Chapter 1 Alarm Behavior. In the previous videos, we learned that with a Multiphysics Box 10, limit values can be defined for all measured values, like vibration in time domain, vibration in frequency domain, temperature, and shock. If these limit values are exceeded or undercut, an alarm is issued. The source for the occurring alarm can be read out from the Multiphysics Box 10. By default, alarm bits remain set until they are actively reset. Chapter 2 Notifications via process data. The alarm flags can be mapped into the process data of the sensor. The lower 16 bits of the process data can be freely configured to carry alarms to the outside. Two types of alarms can be distinguished: group alerts and direct alerts. Group alerts are, for example, temperature, shock, vibration in time domain, or vibration in frequency domain. They are always activated when one or more alarm bit of the corresponding group is active. For example, the group alert vibration in time domain would be active if any limit of the 9 possible time domain key values was exceeded. Direct alerts are particularly frequently used alarm bits that can be mapped directly into the process data. Its condition corresponds to the state of this specific alarm. The available direct alarms are, for example, temperature max, A or VRMS max, and changes in the dominant and fundamental peak. If any alarm that is mapped into the process data occurs, like for example the VRMS max, the alarm bit is activated. Chapter 3 Measured Values via Process Data. Besides the alarm bits, the process data can also be freely assigned with 4 current measured values. The selection which value is to appear in the process data allows to choose between the different time domain key values based on a specific axis and the temperature. Chapter 4 Alert Delay Time and Alert Reset Time. In many applications, it is desirable that short time outliers or one-time events do not directly trigger an alert. This can be achieved by configuring the alarm behavior accordingly in the general device settings. The alert delay time in milliseconds defines the minimum time for which a set limit value must be exceeded before an alarm is triggered. A 0 in the subindex deactivates the alarm delay time, and the alarms are triggered immediately after the limit value is exceeded. The automatic alert reset time defines the duration after which the alarm bits are automatically reset again when a machine returns to a normal condition range. The alarm is reset if the indication value was permanently below the limit for at least this reset alert time in milliseconds. The alarm reset time thus also implicitly defines the minimum time for which alarms are set. To be sure not to lose occurred alarms, the function can be deactivated by setting a -1 in this subindex. Chapter 5. Digital output via pin 2. The Multiphysics Box 10 allows to output all alarms from the process data, also via digital outputs. This can be done with bit 6, which is the diagnostic alert 1, or bit 7, which is the diagnostic alert 2 in the process data. In the process data configuration, the relevant group or direct alert must be mapped to bit 6 or bit 7. So that pin 2 issues this alarm, the diagnostic alert 1 or diagnostic alert 2 must be parameterized for pin 2 in the general device settings.